I'm dedicating this episode to the vital pollinators called bees. And yes, as you can see here in this image, I am gonna be making a collage, and it's going to be related with bees and preservation. Welcome to this channel. You know already that this is our space for creativity and self-discovery. I got all the flowers from a magazine. I have the main picture from a magazine, and since the first moment I said I'm gonna have this to use it for a collage, and I was having this fabric around my starch, so I said this is perfect and I'm gonna create something about bees. As you can see here, as I delicately arrange petals, leaves and vibrant colors onto this canvas, I am not just creating a collage, I am expressing my love for nature, and I am crafting a beacon of hope for our planet's most vital pollinators. Each snip of paper and every dab of glue symbolizes my commitment to the preservation of bees. And as you already know, I'm a botanist, so I'm very related with plants and pollinators. In our world, the populations of bees are in danger, so this act of artistic expression becomes a powerful testament to our collective responsibility. And as you can see here, I'm gluing all the flowers in the same way they were in the magazine because they have the perfect shape, so I can use it as a flower crown. So don't be afraid to create, just look at the pictures, and the imagination is gonna do the rest. So there are no rules, there are no right and wrong, just try and you'll be amazed with the result. So I strongly believe that through this collage, I am honoring the bees' tireless work in sustaining ecosystems and agricultural landscapes, while also recognizing my duty to protect and nurture their habitats. Together, let's weave a tapestry of awareness and action to safeguard the future of these invaluable creatures. I may also say that this girl here is super pale, but it's already, I don't know, it was like it caught my attention because it's natural, no makeup, and look at the hair, super light, and it was, I guess it's probably something very, very light and spiritual, and inspired me to do this amazing collage about bees. Also, I'm going to show you here, she has eyes, and I cover them making the eyelids with this amazing fabric. So I'm very happy to have you here. This is an amazing space where I can share my creativity. The only goal of my channel is to inspire you, to motivate you, and who knows, this is gonna take flight and can do amazing things together. So if you're interested in contacting me, I'm gonna leave you my email down below. So this is the way it would look if I place it inside a frame. As you can see, this is an upcycling one. I need to finish this frame or change it to another one. I'm gonna digitalize all my collages and you can have them available for you if you want it. So let me know down below or just send me an email. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did, and I see you soon. Bye friends. Bye bye.